how do you find a good contractor? How do you find good tradespeople, electricians, plumbers, whatever? Look, first of all, let's just all acknowledge the elephant in the room. It's so hard. It's so tough right now to find good people. There's so many people doing rehabs right now. There's so much construction going on and new construction and rehabs and money flowing around that it's hard to find good people. So now that we got a little wine out of, a little wine put in here, now let's talk some tactics. First of all, finding good people in any way. If you're trying to find employees, you're trying to find real estate properties, it's all a funnel, right? So at the top of the funnel, you have a lot of, there's probably 10,000 contractors in your area. Now, out of them, there's probably, 1,000 that do tile work. Out of them, there's probably 100 that are actual licensed and bonded that you want to work with. And out of them, you maybe have 20 that are going to actually call you back. And so understand that it is a process and you need to commit to the process of working your funnel. So that said, how do you get them in your funnel? How do you even find who they are? Well, referrals is a good way. Another good one would be referrals. There's another one. Referrals are really good. And then the last one would be referrals. So in other words, get other people and just always be asking, hey, do you know any good contractors? Do you know any good electricians? And get them on your list. Start adding them to a spreadsheet or a piece of paper or tattoo them on your left hand. I don't care. But add them to your list and start keeping track of who they are. Even when I'm out driving around, I see a truck, a contractor, I take a picture of it. I know it wasn't a referral, so I'm going to treat those people differently. And just because it's a referral doesn't mean they're good. I just had a referral for a contractor the other day from a good friend that said they're amazing. I hired them. They were awful. So all that said, so you got to get leads coming in. Then you got to try them out. You never know how a contractor is going to be, even from a referral. You probably have a better shot with a referral, but it doesn't guarantee anything. You got to try them out on small things. Have them come over and build something small. Fix a hole. Fix your dishwasher. Do something little. Even if you're well, I don't want to spend the money on it. Spend the money on it. See how they do in the actual work that they're trying to do, and then give them a little more, and then a little more. That's the secret, and then you find somebody, and then when you find that person, you treat them like gold. Pay them more than they want, maybe even, or pay them quickly. Give them what they need. Do whatever you can do to hang on to them. Give them Christmas presents. I don't care. This is a relationship at that point. You want to find people that you can work with consistently, that you like, and they like you, and everything works good. And they're so rare that when you find them, treat them like gold. That's how you find it. It's not always easy, but when you put the work in ahead of time, it's totally worth it. To kind of summarize the beginning point of that, as my friend Jordan Harbinger said, who was a guest on our podcast, the BiggerPockets podcast, Jordan said, always dig your well before you're thirsty. Dig your well before you're thirsty, which means if you're going to get into real estate, you're going to remodel a property or whatever, start now digging your well so that when you need those contractors, you have them lined up. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a little thumbs up below the video, a little heart or thumbs up, whatever it is. And be sure to follow us over on BiggerPockets, at BiggerPockets, at all the social channels and on YouTube. And of course, you can follow me personally, Beardy Brandon, over on Instagram. For BiggerPockets.com, my name is Brandon Turner, signing off.